In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 1x1x1x1 in Forsaken Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you will have to purchase 1x1x1x1. To do this, tap on this icon here and you will find him available. 1x1x1x1. So he is going to cost 1,250. If you tap on him, you can go over to more information and you will see a description of the killer, the physical manifestation of pure malice, hatred, and negativity himself. If you scroll down, you can find gameplay statistics. So he has a rating of 4 stars in difficulty, 1,100 health, 8 regular speed, 27 sprinting speed, max stamina of 110, loses 9.5 per second, gains 21 per second, and he has a terror radio of 60 studs. The abilities are going to be Slash, Mass Infection, and Entanglement. The description is very large. Finally, you will have Unstable Eye, Rejuvenate the Rotten, and you can use all of these in conjunction to chase down your opponents. You will be able to focus someone down and entangle them. You can slow them, making sure that you can catch up, and you can poison a bunch of players around your radius. Sadly, these descriptions are extremely long, so I cannot cover all of them in this video, but you can play as 1x1x1x as long as you acquire him from the store. So I hope I was able to help you. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you on playing 1x1x1x1 on Forsaken Mobile, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.